Lap, lap, nyundo. Local solutions, but they work. Look at that.
So this is the current state of the maize. As you can see, all crops are now dried and ready to be harvested. Yeah, it was a large piece of maize, as you can see. They're dried up, honestly. The whole part, they're looking nice. So we're just walking around, checking on the old tribe. That was so good. It was a big piece of land. I'm very happy. We had a good harvest. I can't complain. It's really a huge piece of land, as you can see. I'm just trying to show you around before we start cutting the plants, so just have a rough idea of how it all looked. I thank you for joining me on this journey. We've been together since I started the project, and here we are. And I thank God because it wasn't easy. It's still going. It really was a very big project. I wouldn't say a big, because to others, a big means 1,000 acres. It was only 5 acres. And the returns are okay. I'm happy and proud of myself. I did this. Look at the maize, guys. Look at the project. Yeah, I really thank God. As you can see now, the work has begun. The people inside cutting down the plants, ready to harvest. I have a big team. There are over 50 people. There's some we cannot see in the background. There's on the other side. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see. We started very early, around 4 a.m. and it's around 7:30. Yeah. Those are my guys doing the work. I've been with this team since I started the project, and I thank God they've been very faithful. No drama, no nothing. And they made it easy for me to run the project, because most of the time I was operating from the city, and so I thank God for giving me these people. Very hardworking men. They're saying hi. So here is the other team removing the fruit from the plant. We do it manual here in my village. I don't know how you do it where you are. Please share in the comment section and let me know how you do it. And so, as I said, it's a huge team of people who've actually made it easy for me to run this project. And I really thank God for blessing me with such people. And I speak a word of blessing upon their lives, because they've been honest and very faithful in this. Otherwise, I don't think I'll have made it. So it's a team of men and women. We are done with the first part, and I think we'll end it here for today. It's around 11 a.m. and we've done majority of the work. We're now preparing to load the maize, carry them home, because of also the weather. It's really raining here in the village, and so we don't want to be rained on. It's a huge part, actually. We've done the best for today. And there comes men on wheels. That's our transportation for today. We are using the local form of transportation. Tell me, how do you do in your village? Do you use canters, lorries, or do you do our way? This is the most common way of transportation here in our village, and I love it. It's quite affordable. Yeah. The maize are clean. Look at the maize, my guys. Look at the maize. There goes main loading the truck, our truck in this case. I hope you're doing wherever you are. You are doing well wherever you are. And I also hope you're doing your best. There we go. We still have a big size of land to harvest. This is how we arranged the maize into parts for easy transportation. Really amazing. There we go. The weather is cool, not too sunny, not too cold. It's perfect for this type of work. Yeah. And I'm very happy we started early. It will give us ample time to transport the maize from the farm. Because as I said, it's really raining here in the village, and the rain starts as early as noon. So we want to make sure we are done before noon. And also to have enough rest for tomorrow, because it's still a very huge project that will take us almost a week. Yeah. There we go.
Lap nyundo. Local solutions, but they work. Look at that. The big brand, as always. Hey, Makano. Kala chuchuke. Ah, kama bolo wase. Bukoro bwale lo to. Kama bolo mbayo to.
So these are part of today's harvest. We are not done yet. There are still other maize in the farm. We are still transporting. And so far, I'm happy. I thank God. It turned out well, as I said. And I'm hoping we get the best from the remaining parts of the farm. And so thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye.